Hello everyone. This is my review of the Boost Oxygen Canisters. The first thing I notice is how easy it is to use. Place the mouthpiece over your mouth, press the trigger, and inhale. It's quick and simple, especially when you're on the go. I also like how portable it is. The canister is lightweight enough to keep in the car, gym bag, backpack, or take while traveling. Another thing I noticed is that it gives you a fresh air feeling almost immediately after a few breaths, especially after physical activity or being outdoors for a long time. What I like most is that it's prescription-free and intended for non-medical use. Boost Oxygen says the canisters contain concentrated supplemental oxygen without chemicals or propellants. The larger canisters also last longer than I expected. The 10-liter size can provide up to around 200 inhalations, depending on usage. Overall, it's one of those products that's just nice to have available for travel, workouts, hiking, or recovery after activity. If you want a portable supplemental oxygen option for non-medical respiratory support and recovery, this is definitely worth trying. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.